Choosing a battery charger, compare features, safety, and reliability today. Most cheap chargers, bulky single voltage, no smart modes. Risky trickle chargers often lack temperature compensation and desulfation functions. Some smart chargers are slow, confusing interfaces, poor battery repair. Here's how YONHAN outperforms regular options across real scenarios. Feature 1. Versatility. Multi-mode charging versus single-purpose units. YONHAN charges 12V and 24V batteries, car and motorcycle. Compatible regular chargers often limited to 12V only, not flexible. Mode precision. Temperature compensation beats fixed rate charging. Seasonal winter and summer modes protect batteries in extreme temperatures. Basic chargers overcharge in heat or undercharge in cold conditions. Safety. Reverse polarity and short circuit protections included. Automatic protections prevent damage. Reverse polarity, overcharge, short circuits. Cheap rivals lack comprehensive protections, risking battery and vehicle damage. Battery care, maintainer, trickle charge, desulfator combined in one compact unit. Advanced repair mode restores idle batteries with pulse desulfation technology. Standard chargers rarely revive sulfated batteries. Replacement often required display and control. Clarity matters for monitoring battery health. Backlit LCD shows voltage, current, percentage, temperature, mode at glance. Many chargers only show LEDs, hiding detailed battery status. Visual demo. Connect select mode, watch smart charging respond. Plug into outlet. Connect clamps to clean battery terminals firmly. If connection poor, clean terminals and ensure fire M clamp contact. Choose 12V or 24V, then pick winter or summer mode. Watch LCD for voltage, current, temperature, and charging percentage. When parked long term, so condition which charger keeps battery healthy, trickle, and voltage. Monitoring modes preserve motorcycle and car batteries long term. Basic chargers drain or overcharge, reducing battery lifespan quickly. Cold mornings, who guarantees a reliable start every time. Temperature compensation prevents undercharging in cold, ensuring dependable starts. Plain chargers often leave cars dead after freezing nights. Buying tip, prioritize modes, protections, and clear monitoring display. All in one 10A, 12V to 24V charger, maintainer, desulfator, and monitor, compact, powerful, remembers last mode after power interruptions. No limitations, not for lithium RC packs or lab use, requires AC outlet. Cannot charge batteries below zero point 0.3 volts if display shows empty battery icon, no battery detected. Check clamp size, clean terminals, and ensure firm clamp contact. Who should buy this? Drivers, riders, boat owners, lawn care. Choose YONHAN for winter readiness, battery repair, and long-term maintenance. Versatile charging, temperature compensation, safety features, clear LCD feedback. Ready to stop being stranded? Get YONHAN and charge confidently. Protect your battery this season. Bundy, upgrade to smart charging today. Order now, keep your vehicle ready, avoid unexpected battery failures.